Enforcement putting out another warning about fraudulent phone calls, saying people just keep falling for them. The Broken Arrow Police Department issued this latest notice before 2 News problem solver Jamil Donath went on that breaking news. She found out what we need to watch out for.
And I don't hear from your attorney either.
A person calls claiming to be from a government agency. The caller says you owe money, either in back taxes or an unpaid warrant.
They had a grievance against me.
In June and August, the problem solver spoke with viewers who got this type of call. But now Broken Arrow police say this ongoing phone scam is back again.
We're starting to see more calls again, recirculating. We've had a few of our officers here that's been contacted by these guys.
In this press release, the Broken Arrow Police Department says the caller will demand you pay the fine using a prepaid card over the phone. Refuse and the caller will threaten you with arrest, deportation, or say they will freeze your assets.
We've seen people lose from hundreds of dollars to several hundreds of thousands of dollars.
So even though this person may have your personal information, government agencies will not call asking for money with or without a prepaid card, and they especially don't make threats.